In this guide, we're going over how you can pair a new Fire TV Stick remote without having the old remote. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually grab your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, and just open up the App Store or the Google Play Store and search specifically for the Amazon Fire TV and download the official app. Once it's installed, open up that app and make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire TV stick, and then from here, select your Fire TV from the list. A code's going to appear on your screen. Enter in that code so that you can connect and use your phone as the remote. Now, using your phone remote, go ahead and go all the way to the far right and click on this little settings gear right here and scroll down and specifically select this controllers and Bluetooth devices option and open it up. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and select Amazon Fire TV remotes. Open this section up again, and then choose Add New Remote right here. Grab your new remote, hold down the home button for about 10 seconds until it starts pairing, and once it appears on screen, go ahead and select it using your phone. But that is it. Your new remote is now going to be paired and ready to use. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.